I started adding this in my morning tea and losing so much weight. This is so fat burning, so cleansing, so detoxifying, and so very good to start your day with. So I'll share with you the benefits, but let's go ahead and I share with you how to come up with this very powerful tea. So in order to come up with this, the first ingredient you need is ginger. So I use three thumb sizes of ginger because ginger really heats up your system. It heats up your system to burn fat so fast, like boost your metabolism, flush gases in your system, sodium, slowing your metabolism and activates your system to be so like active at burning fat. That way you burn fat so fast. Like this is so good. So you want to get your three thumb sizes of ginger, wash them thoroughly and slice up into some good little sizes. And yeah, so this is it. Very cleansing, fat burning, detoxifying, has anti-inflammatory for bloating, constipation, gases, and like that is so good. The next thing I add in here is lemon to tackle the gases in your system, slowing your metabolism, boost your system to burn fat so fast, burns those fat cells in your system, like those excessive growing fat cells, and have everything all in order. That way you lose weight so fast, boosting your metabolism. Lemons are very good. Lemon is very good, most especially like lemon water, lemon tea. They are very good at helping you burn fat. So adding it in here makes it so powerful. So this is our one lemon sliced. The next thing I add in here, very powerful, is black pepper. Black pepper helps you, like it facilitates this to work so fast. Plus black pepper is thermic as well to heat up your system, boost your metabolism to burn fats really fast. You don't need a lot of it. You need just half a teaspoon of this black pepper. A little goes a long way. It helps these other ingredients easily like come together and work even better. So that is it. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. I add in a quarter size of pineapple. So you divide your pineapple in three portions and you use a quarter size of it. So this is pineapple. You want to peel and slice up the fruit into some like little good sizes. Pineapples contain large amounts of bromelain. That enzyme helps you burn fat. It is found in the middle of the pineapple and it is all here to help you boost your metabolism, break down stored up fats, waste in your system, and you lose that weight so fast. Like this is so good. Yep. So slice into some good little sizes and voila. This is it. Your quarter size of pineapple. Yeah, it's one third size of pineapple. I keep saying quarter, one third. So now the next thing you want to add is your grapefruit. So this is optional. If you don't have grapefruit, that is fine. This is optional. You can just stick with the other ingredients, but I love me some grapefruit. It makes this even more powerful, and because grapefruit too is very good at boosting your metabolism, helping with fat burning, and it brings in one beautiful flavor in here as well. I love a lot of grapes, so that is fine. But if you don't have it, as I mentioned, this is optional. If you don't have it, the other ingredients can still do the job so well, but grapefruit makes it even just so powerful. Like it increases the strength as well. So any color of grapefruit, white grape, red grape, anyone is good. So yeah, so this is it, your one grapefruit, and voila. So now the next thing you want to do is to put these ingredients in the blender. Your one third size of pineapple, half a teaspoon of black pepper, three thumb sizes of ginger, one grapefruit, and one lemon. So that is it. Put in your blender and add in some water. So you have to blend this so you get the juice out of the ginger and the pineapple. So you add in half 1 cup of water. Sorry, you add in 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water will help you blend this so well. Plus water will still come out from the fruits, the grapefruit and lemon, to just add everything up to make like 1.5 cup of this. So this is it. You blend, 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 blend to get a smooth kind of, so you really get everything out from the ingredients, and you just have the pulp, the raw fish. So this is it. Get your strainer, strain, or a cheesecloth, however you want to get the juice out of this. And please don't throw the fiber, the raw fish, don't throw it. That is very good to add in your fat burning smoothie. So you can add in any ingredient like banana, any fruits like banana in there, and just have it for your breakfast. Very good and healthy. So I'm not throwing my raw fish, I don't throw my raw fish. And yeah, so this is the stuff you blended, and you want to transfer it in a cup. So that bowl gets, it is difficult for me to use that bowl and transfer directly in my bottle. So I kind of like do it this way, so it's easier for me. So this is it, transferred in here. This will take me for a week. This is for 1 week. So you just store somewhere, and for 1 week in a cool place, most especially your refrigerator. That is the best place. You want to store that up. Now let's come up with the tea. So I used any tea of your choice. You can use black tea, green tea. They are all very healthy, very good for the system. This is green tea I'm using. I love me some green tea, very detoxifying and cleansing. And yeah, so that is it. You let your water boil. So the hot water will help you infuse the benefits of your tea into, to make this become a tea. We all know how to make tea. So this is how you do. You put your back in the hot water, and hot water infuses it to come up with your tea, your very powerful detox tea. So this green tea on its own is very detoxifying and very good at boosting your system to burn fat. Plus adding in the fat burning juice we just made makes everything just so powerful. Like starting your day with this awakens your system, boosts your metabolism to burn fats. Nothing stores up, causing weight gain or belly fat again, like, plus helping you burn fat. So it doubles up to prevent you from gaining weight and burning it for you as well. So this is my cup, my early morning cup. Drink everything on an empty tummy in the morning without any food or oil obstructing the fat burning process before you go get to your day. And make sure you are eating in little portions. Try as much as you can to eat in little portions. Don't drink this and eat large plates of meals. Divide your meal in two portions. Like what you used to eat, divide in the middle and eat just half of it, because large meals equally make you gain a lot of weight. So try this, and trust me, you will love, 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 love the results. Come back and tell me how you feel about it. Share the videos with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.